So I have been feeling like horse poop lately. I've just been feeling gross, super gross, and I have been eating really poorly on the weekends. So I have decided, based off of reviews, to try the Nekter half-day fast. Now, folks, I have tried a juice cleanse once before. I could not even finish the first full day because I got so incredibly sick, like migraine. I don't know if it was because there was high sugar, my glucose levels were high. I really don't know, but I got so sick. My migraine was so bad that I was vomiting. So when I was talking about feeling poopy, people kept suggesting, you need to try a juice cleanse. So I found this Nekter low sugar half day. It's called the half day fast. So you do the 4 drinks, and at the end of the day, you have a regular dinner. I'm hoping that because it's low sugar and because I get to have a dinner, that it's not going to be awful. But it already started with the first drink, Celery Detox. For those of you that drink celery juice on the regular, kudos to you, because I am barely stomaching and trying to finish this thing. I've been plugging my nose to get it down, and it's not helping. It's not getting better. I have a chaser of water, and that's not working either. But we're gonna push through. We're gonna do this. I bought 2 days of it. If everything tastes like this, I'm not gonna make it through a second day. Those of you that drink celery juice on the regular, I curse you for even coming up with this disgusting thing. I feel like the police officer on Dumb and Dumber that drinks their urine every time I drink this. Like, the chaser doesn't work. It is so hard. And I know this is supposed to like clear you out and blah blah blah, but this is how far I've made it, and I'm gonna try to get this finished right now. I can't. It's just so cool. It makes me get the chill, and I gag a little every time. And I didn't finish it. Okay, here we go. Finish this bad boy. It like lingers in my sinuses. Drink one down. So I don't know if this is possible, but I had the celery juice about, I would say, 30 to 45 minutes ago, and I'm already been cleared out. Is that why we love celery juice? That might be the reason why. I don't know if that's even possible, but it seemed to be a trigger for something, which is good. I am now on to my second drink, which is light greens. Again, low sugar, cucumber, spinach, kale, lemon, monk fruit. I'm hoping that the monk fruit is the strongest flavor in here. It doesn't look like it's going to be, but here we are. I started eating really late. It's almost 3 o'clock. So I drank that other drink around 2, but this one smells better. Here we go. That's not bad. I mean, not my favorite, but I can finish this one. Hi, pardon my robe. I am cold, even though it's 100 degrees outside. But the air conditioning makes it cold. So I'm on to my third drink, which I have high hopes for because it's pink. It's a skinny lemonade. It's got lemon, dragon fruit, and monk fruit. And this one's only 25 calories. The first 2 were 45 calories. There's like no calories. I'm not really big on like really high deficit things, but you know, I'm gonna eat a good dinner tonight. I can promise you that. So let me tell you what it tastes like. This is good. This tastes like when you go to a fair and they have those frozen lemonades. This is really good. I do want to say that I don't feel high energy. I don't feel like it's enough fuel to fuel me. I did work out really hard this morning, and so I mean, to have like a little bit over 100 calories in my full day has been hard, and it is, 4:40 right now. And I do have one more protein drink, and maybe I'm spreading them apart a little bit too far, but I didn't even start drinking these until like 1 o'clock today. I'm pretty big on intermittent fasting, so I don't usually start eating until around 11 or 12 anyway. Today I just ended up being a little more busy, so I didn't get to my food as quickly. But I don't feel particularly like great on this juice diet. We'll see. I clearly have still not pulled myself together today. It's just gonna be one of those days for me because like I said, I've been feeling so off and so tired, and I still did my workout. But anyways, obviously the juice cleanse is not giving me all the energy I could dream of, but I guess I'm feeling okay right now. But it is because I just did my dinner. And for dinner, I did some jasmine rice, some turkey meatballs, with like a little cream sauce, which is probably a little bit higher in calories. I used like a light sour cream and onion, and that's actually all I had. I was gonna have Brussels sprouts, which I probably should have started with, but I got pretty full from that. And now I'm onto the chocolate, which I love chocolate, so I'm hoping that this is good. This last shake or last juice of the day, it's got cashew milk, cacao powder, vanilla, and monk fruit. I don't know if you can hear my stomach grumbling, but ever since I had that first celery drink and like throughout this day, my stomach has been rumbling, and I've been spending a lot of time in the room with the throne. Can I say it that way without being too disgusting? I'm definitely cleared out. I will say that for sure at this point. And so I'm excited to get this one. So I had a 45 calorie, right? And like 15, 20, like barely any calories today. And this one's 340 calories. So this is going to be a good solid food meal for the day. Let's try it. Super thick. I shook it like crazy. I mean, it's like a really rich chocolate, almost like a dark chocolate. I don't hate it. Also, I don't love it. So, I'll finish it though, obviously. I'm hungry enough. Like, I'm pretty full from dinner, but I do want to make sure that I've done this all right. And I honestly, it said to end the day with this, and I almost wonder if I was supposed to end the day with this and then have dinner, but I couldn't find clear instructions online. So I'm actually fully ending the day with this protein drink. Day 2 of the juice cleanse. I'm telling myself I can do anything for 2 days, right? I'm feeling pretty hungry. Again, I'm trying to stick with my intermittent fasting along with this, so it's later in the day, and I'm starting my celery detox to start this out for the day. I have myself a little more put together today. I actually showered, so that's something. Put a little makeup on. And so I'm going for day 2. I will tell you this. These juices made sure that my insides were very clean. That might be something that makes people believe that they've lost a lot of weight. I did not lose any pounds. I weighed myself this morning. I didn't lose anything on the scale. So I did eat a hearty dinner last night. So that could be why the pounds weren't down, but I still was very much in a calorie deficit. So I think I only consumed like a total of like 1,100 calories. That, my friends, has made me feel a little bit tired, a little more weak today. My workout was not as powerful. I even just did like a little 15-minute bike ride warm up. That was supposed to be a super easy ride. That felt like harder than it normally should. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm a fan of this. I can see the bloating has gone down. I don't believe that it's a weight loss in any way. It's not going to be a weight loss. Like, that's just not the way it works, right? So I absolutely have to do a chaser, and I am going to make it through the second day. Please help me. Please help me. Here we go. Day 2. Celery detox with a chaser of water. Oh! You see my chills on my arm? My hairy arms, but can you also see the chills? That's how gross it is to me. Chills. Like I really honestly, I'm not trying to be dramatic, but I really feel like I'm gonna throw up trying to drink this stuff. It's so hard for me. And I literally have changed my chaser to, instead of just water, like Crystal Light, like a zero, or like Crystal Light Pure. I thought that was one thing that could pass, just so I have some flavor. But I was just talking to my friend on Marco Polo, and I thought I was gonna throw up. This is very hard for me to stomach. Very, very hard. Can you hear that? I'm sorry, that was so gross, but I needed you to hear what my stomach has been doing all day long. All right, day 2 done. As you can see, there was 0 difference in the bloating. I actually am up 0.2 pounds. So I think that first day it like really like cleared me out. And then the second day it just held on to everything. You heard my rumbly tummy. I thought that that rumbly tummy meant something, but I actually like, it didn't mean anything. I just had a really rumbly tummy all day. I feel less energized. I felt less energized. It's been harder for me to get out of bed. It's harder for me to motivate myself to do anything. I felt just exhausted the past 2 days. It is not something I would do again. It's not something that's worth it to me. Like I said before, I've done another juice cleanse, and at least for this one, I didn't have the migraine that I had, but I just don't feel good on a juice cleanse. It's not, my body's not being nourished the way it should be. So would I do it again? Again, I probably wouldn't. If this helps you decide whether or not a juice cleanse is worth it for you, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. If you have other suggestions for crash diets you'd like me to try, let me know.